Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, can you allow me to move a motion tomorrow, my lord, against in Assam University?
What is the
Yeah, the
urgency?
professor, he was a professor since 11 years. All of a sudden, they held a meeting, and then without notice, without shock, they demoted him to the initial post of lecturer. Absolutely no inquiry, nothing, my lord. And also, they want to recover you, my lord. So
Have you-
tomorrow, my lord.
Have you filed it? What did you
I filed it yesterday. It has been numbered also. Filing number is there, my lord.
Okay,
8741.
okay.
Tomorrow. Honest.
Yes, I like to mention item number 4. I have taken consent of the petitioner lordship. It can be taken up after 2 weeks. The due point has got some difficulty to do.
You're for the respondent.
Respondent, but I have taken consent of the petitioner.
No, I filed a petition, my lord.
Any objection?
No, my lord. My lord, date may be fixed, my lord.
After a week,
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. As paid for by the AR Hibildar, Learned Standing Council.
Yes. The due point has got some problem. He is looking up.
You're for higher education.
Not.
The Standing Council Higher Education cannot objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. To be listed. On a date fixed by the registry.
There is an interim order, my lord.
Till the next date, interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Acknowledge.
My
Yes.
lord, this matter relates to correction of date of birth, my lord. Here, my lord, the pleadings are complete, my lord. This matter may be listed for admission on Friday, my lord.
Friday not possible. We'll have it next week.
Next month,
If there is urgency, we'll have it next week.
next,
Readings are complete.
yes, my lord.
Okay. We'll have it next week, but date will be given by the registry.
Yes.
Okay.
Made, please, Your Lordship. My lord, a fresh motion matter, my lord, pertaining to civil defense to a police employment, LDA. My lord, another person is going to be promoted in place of me, my lord. There is some urgencies there. I filed on 26/6, my lord, so before vacation. So maybe taken tomorrow, my lord, if your lordship permits, my lord.
Tomorrow,
So tomorrow, on any supplementary list, my lord, some
see,
agency, but already police authority has
See,
taken it.
see, this week there's some problem. Because we're taking less matters. This court is rising at 3 o'clock. So that is why
Lordship, at
preferably we have it on Monday.
My lord,
It's coming Monday?
May I pay for Friday only if time permits, my lord. Fridays, most urgent matter.
I don't know.
My lord, my lord, if it does not reach, my lord, I have no case, my lord. If time permits, Friday, my lord.
Okay, Friday then.
Friday. Obliged.
WPC Lordship,
Yes.
to mention for listing of WPC 4901 next week, any date for admission.
When was it last listed?
Was last tested on 6/6/25.
6/6/25. That was recently, last month only.
It was ordered to be listed after 3 weeks.
You approach the registry. Okay.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, my lord.
Yes, Said, what do you want?
Today we have some difficulties, my lord.
Hmm.
I pray for adjournment, my lord. After 2 weeks, this matter.
You are for the petition.
Respondent number 8,
Respondent number 8,
8, my lord.
S.H. Zaman.
MAI Hussain.
MAI, okay, MAI Hussain. Have you informed the other side?
Yes, my lord. I've taken the consent.
Why do you want adjournment?
Mr. S. Zaman is the conducting counsel. He's out of the station for some urgency and the brief is not with me, my lord.
Conducting counsel for respondent number 8, Mr. S.H. Zaman is said to be out of station. And therefore adjournment is being prayed for on his behalf. Stop. As prayed for and not objected to by the other side, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. To be listed on the date fixed by the registry.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 7.
7, yes.
May this matter may be adjourned for today. Lordship, my senior, Mr. J. Pang is out of station.
When do you want? After 2 weeks? All right. Mr. J. Payang, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. Stop. On a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to pray for adjournment item number 10, my Lordship. With
Yes.
taking permission from the other side, my Lordship.
You are for which party?
Resolution number 5, my lordship.
Why do you want adjournment?
My lordship, my senior has having some personal difficulties today, my lordship.
Who's your senior?
Lordship, AFNU Mullah.
His name is not shown. Okay, his name is there. It says respondent number 7.
Resolution number 5, my lordship. 7 here is.
Huh?
7, my lordship.
Not 5, 7, isn't it?
Actually, my lordship, he told me resolution number 5, but as far as I'm concerned, it is 7, my lordship. So it is, I'm not Angus Council, my lordship.
Adjournment for 2 weeks.
Yes, my lordship.
Are you sure you have informed the other side?
Yes, my lordship, I'm sure.
Mr. AFN Molla, Learned Counsel for respondent number 7 is said to have some personal difficulty to appear before the court today. Stop on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. The matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
My pleasure, my
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, before your lordship, my lord, he has appeared in the SSLC examination recently. My lord, in other subject, my lord, he has got high mark, my lord, distinction mark, my lord. In the subject of English, my lord, he has got only, my lord, 70.
Okay, what do you want?
My
Which-
lord, may I pay for listing that matter?
A new case?
Tomorrow, my lord,
New case?
new case. On
Not tomorrow. See,
My lord, very
we're
urgent
not,
matter.
we're not taking up,
Friday, my lord.
we'll have it on Monday if you want. 21, okay? Monday.
Obliged.
Supply list item 11 for motion.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, being agreed with allotment of center, examination center, at a far distance of 120 kilometers, lordship. This requisition have been filed, lordship.
120, did you measure? How do you know it's
Lordship,
120?
So far, Google map is concerned, it is
Google map.
120 kilometers. I also know that, lordship, that distance from Nalbari to Bongaigaon, lordship.
But 120 not for everyone, isn't it?
No, for every, no, lordship.
40
That-
kilometers for somebody?
No, yes, lordship, from their residence and from the residence of the petitioner number 1, Lotus, lordship, this is 450 kilometers, lordship. From
You-
Kamru Karbi Angulam, lordship.
What can we do? What can the court do in such
Lordship,
case?
the fact is that,
Yeah.
Lordship, the fact is that that's the students of the petitioners, daughters of the petitioners, Lordship, are studying in Ekolabya Model Residential School, Lordship. It is the only other school in Assam, Lordship, established by the
It
ministry.
is the only school.
Yes, in Assam, Lordship, it is the
There's only one school in Assam.
only other school in Assam, Lordship.
Huh?
This
Only?
other school established.
Only other school.
Only other school, Lordship.
What is that? Only other school?
Residential school, Lordship. Residential school, Lordship, established by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Lordship.
Hmm.
This school is for the tribal students and the students of BPL category, Lordship.
Where is that place?
Lordship.
Where is the location?
In Dolbari, Lordship. In
Dolbari.
Dolbari, it is the Boroma, Lordship, Dolbari.
Dolbari.
Near
Which district?
Nalbari district. Lordship.
Nalbari district.
Baksha district, Lordship.
Baksa.
Baksha district.
Okay.
And this school is for, Lordship, only tribal students and for BPL students, Lordship. There is a background, Lordship. The background is that, Lordship, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Lordship, established Ekolabya Model School, Lordship, for tribal and BPL students, Lordship, in the year 1997, Lordship. But in Assam, it could not be, Lordship, since, Lordship, BTC was not included under 6th schedule, Lordship. While BTAD was included in 6th schedule, Lordship, under Constitution, Lordship, a revised guideline was issued by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Lordship, in the year 2010, Lordship. And accordingly, this school was established in the year 2013. And since then, students of Lordship, tribal students and the orphans and Lordship, the students of BPL category on merit basis are taking their educations in staying in the school campus, Lordship.
How many inmates are there?
Lordship,
How many students are there?
Lordship, I have not appropriate idea of that, Lordship,
Okay.
but in
But
this
how
time,
many-
Lordship, 44 students will going to appear compulsory examination, Lordship. 44
44 are going to appear.
Lordship, are going to appear, Lordship.
And where are the centers?
Lordship, 44,
44, only 5 of them have difficulty.
no, Lordship.
39 students don't have
No,
difficulty.
Lordship, the fact is that.
No, why do you say no? You only say that 44 students are going to appear.
Lordship,
Examination centers more or less the same.
Lordship,
And today,
They have also problems, Lordship, that.
today, only the parents of 5 students have come.
Lordship.
So 39 students have no problem, but
The problem have that.
5
Lordship.
students have problem.
They have problems, Lordship, but they have difficulties to approach this court, Lordship. They are not capable to approach this court, Lordship. Only these parents somehow managed to appear before this court, Lordship.
What is the center name?
Bongaigaon, Lordship.
Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon. And the fact is that,
Have you enclosed some, what do you call admit card?
yes.
Where's the admit card?
Yes, Lordship, page number, Lordship, 32 onwards.
32 onwards.
Page number 32 onwards. Lordship.
Where is it written? Bongaigaon?
Bongaigaon. Examination Center, PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya, New Bongaigaon, Assam, Lordship.
New Bongaigaon.
New Bongaigaon, Assam.
So all the centers are, all the students are to appear in Bongaigaon.
Lordship, Bongaigaon, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship, the fact is that.
And they have to go from Dalbari.
Dalbari, Lordship, 120 kilometers.
Dalbari to Bongaigaon is 120
120
kilometers.
kilometers. Lordship.
What
And-
is the alternative available?
The Lordship may see,
There is no center in Dalbari.
in Dalbari, there is center, Lordship.
Which,
have
what is the
already-
center?
Lordship, the fact is that for the convenience of the students, Lordship, after initially the Minister of the Lordship, the CBSC created a temporary centers, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, there are several communications. I have also enclosed that, Lordship,
See, these students are in class 10
class 10, Lordship.
and they're giving what compartmental examinations.
Lordship.
In how many subjects?
In somebody 1, somebody 2, Lordship.
Oh, it's only one day. It's not that every day you have to go.
Lordship, it's not.
You have to go
possible,
only
Lordship.
once, that's all.
120 kilometers is not possible. Moreover, Lordship, it is a residential school, Lordship. Students are taking the education by staying in the school, Lordship. And that their original residence is at Karbi.
I understand. See, I think these things must have occurred to the authorities also.
Lordship,
It's not that they want to send you from one end of the state to the other end of the state for examination.
Lordship.
They must be having their own problems.
There is lots of examination centers.
Your
And
problem is that it's a bit far away.
Lordship,
But then the examination subject which you're going to undertake is 1 or 2 subjects.
Lordship,
You're not going every day for 10 days like that.
Lordship, in this regard, Lordship,
Hmm.
the school authority had already approached this honorable court, Lordship, for 2-3 occasions, Lordship. Initially, Lordship, I annexed one court's order, Lordship.
Page, what?
Annexed is page 26, Lordship.
26.
But earlier there were, there
So
was-
this was disposed of during the
Thank you.
motion stage.
No, Lordship. Then one matter was disposed of in motion stage, Lordship. My learned friend is aware of that, Lordship. In the year, in this year itself,
See, paragraph 4 of page 28
28, Lordship,
is 28 or 27? I think it's 28, isn't it?
28.
There's so many corrections in the pagination. Paragraph 4 says, Ms. R. Bora, Learned Counsel upon instruction states that examination center has been allotted by the CBSE to the Eklavya Model Residential School, Dalbari.
Already allotted, Lordship.
So this was the instruction.
Yes, that
So on
was-
this basis, it was disposed of.
Lordship, already, Lordship, there is center, Lordship, in Ekolipo, Lordship. And in the month of February, March also, some students appear before this, not some students, actually the school authority approached before this honorable court,
But-
and court directed to make necessary accommodation, Lordship, traveling.
Where is that? Where is that?
Lordship, I will finish, Lordship, for 5-10 minutes will be required. Lordship.
No, what
Lordship.
has happened, Lordship, this is that was the mains examination, metric examination and higher secondary. The center was.
You're for
CBSE.
CBSE?
Yes.
Okay.
But this is the compartmental examination.
Mhm.
What happened in Assam, only few centers have been allotted for compartmental examination.
Okay.
So students have to go from Nalbari to itself to Bongaigaon. That area is covered by one center, Lordship.
Okay.
Only one center. So examination has to be held within that. Already the date has been fixed tomorrow. From examination is going to be from tomorrow. So we have to hold this examination within a limited time, and we have to declare the results within 15 days.
Is it
Because-
tomorrow or Friday?
Tomorrow, somebody
18.
15. Their examination from 18, but compartmental examination will be start from tomorrow, 15. As per
Tomorrow,
my
no, tomorrow is 16.
tomorrow,
Today is 15.
16.
There is already, Lordship, permanent center, Lordship, page 28,
No,
Lordship. first paragraph,
regarding
Lordship.
the main exam, metric
No, no,
examination.
For compartmental
higher
examination also, Lordship. Page 28, Lordship,
Yes or no?
it is
This is-
specifically written. would be pleased to admit this applicant call for the record.
This is a compartmental examination, Lordship.
So what are you reading?
This is, Lordship, to allot a.
This is the prayer portion.
Lordship.
Prayer portion highlighted in the order.
Prayer person-
It is not the order.
Lordship, they can come to Guwahati to file a writ petition here from Dalbari, and they cannot go to the Bangaigaon. It is not far away from Dalbari. I think it is 50-60 kilometer.
Lordship, no, Lordship. Not Lordship.
As per his Google map, it is 120.
I know that,
For-
Lordship.
For me, Lordship, I know
I
that
know.
area. So it is regarding
Lordship,
50-60 kilometers.
50-60 kilometers, Lordship, from Bangaigaon to Barbada Road, it is 50 kilometers, Lordship.
No.
From Barbada Road to Lordship, Lordship.
There is a vast difference. One says 50 kilometers, you say 120 kilometers. It's more than double.
From
How is that possible?
Lordship, location, I'm saying, Lordship, from Bangaigaon to Barbada Road, it is 50.
See, Mr. Counsel, you see, for examination, people travel. You go to Bombay, Calcutta also. You go to Delhi also for examination.
Students, Lordship,
What is there in traveling from one district to another district?
Lordship,
And there also one exam, one paper.
petitioner number 1 is residing in Pyongyang, which is about 420 kilometers, Lordship. Petitioner number 1 is from.
So let him start one day early journey. You know the date of exam. You prepare, you travel 2 days early.
Lordship, 10 minutes maybe.
No, it
Given to me,
is
Lordship.
1.5 hours.
One,
like that.
one.
No,
case
he's saying that
one
he's
case-
residing 400 kilometers.
One case is disposed of, Lordship, by
Which-
directing the authority to pay the cost of traveling and to make
Who-
necessary arrangements
Then
for
we have to
traveling,
keep
Lordship.
all
The authority,
students of
Lordship.
Assam, Lordship. Because
These students are different, Lordship.
compartmental examination, very limited
They are
centers are
taking their
there.
education
No,
free of
no,
cost, Lordship.
That is not your prayer, isn't it? That you give me bus fare or you give me taxi fare. That is not your prayer. Then
Lordship.
don't
Since there
keep
is-
on changing your prayer from this, that.
Since there is already, Lordship.
First you want the change of the center, next you want the bus fare, you want the taxi fare.
Lordship.
Tomorrow you'll want lodging money also. Huh?
They will demand. Lordship.
Lordship,
But every student from that, the whole area, covering near.
Mr. Talakdar, you advise your clients to go and face the examination. Let them go ahead. It's a 1 day or 2 day affair, maximum.
but it will.
It is not that you have to stay there for 1 month and prepare there in the.
Some students definitely will miss their exam, Lordship.
Lordship,
Some,
I
some,
have-
some.
There is
some-
still time.
somebody will arrange, Lordship, some
Ex-
from Kokrajhar
Examination starts on which date?
on 18, Lordship.
18, that is Friday.
Lordship,
Today is only Tuesday,
Lordship.
Yes.
Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days more.
Lordship, the fact is that this school provides, Lordship, totally free of education, free of
I
cost.
understand, Mr. Talukdar. See, I'm very much with you. They should be given the nearest center if was possible,
Lordship,
having regard to the fact that they belong to this particular category.
Lordship,
But then the administration also has taken a decision that, see, we have only so many centers for the general examination, but for compartmental examination, we have limited centers. So let these people go to that place. It may be slightly far away, but seeing the hardship that to be faced by you, it's basically for maybe a day or two. It's not that you are sitting there for the entire week or 10, 15 days in a neighboring district unknown to you.
So for me, Lordship, there are nearest center also, Lordship, in Rangia, Lordship.
Now,
In Rangia, Lordship, there is, Lordship, Navodaya School Center, Lordship.
All right, we'll do one thing. There's one representation pending.
Lordship,
Can you attend to that?
just now I have received the instruction. Lordship, may kindly go paragraph 3, Lordship. Point number 1, 2, 3. Because yesterday I have received a copy. That's right. Paragraph 3, Lordship. This will be conducted between 15 July.
Okay, paragraph 3, does it refer to any particular case wherein this court has also rejected?
Yes.
Do you have any case? Do you have any case?
Lordship.
Yes, now
Not
paragraph
rejected,
3, Lordship, in addition to Indian Inform Board supplementary examination is a very limited time period examination. It will be conducted between 15 July to 22nd July.
I've read it.
Yes,
I'm asking you, do you have a judgment of this court or the order of this court? Because it refers to some particular order wherein it says that the High Court also has rejected.
No, Lordship.
Similar prayer, paragraph 3.
paragraph 3, Lordship. Yes, paragraph 3, it has been stated that only examination center 47 center for the whole northeast area.
No, that I have understood. You
So-
read the second last line.
Yes. Centers and main examination, there are so many centers, 459 examination centers. But earlier, it was rejected, Lordship, on the ground that the center cannot be changed. So at the last moment of the examination, because Lordship, if we have to conduct an examination, we have to follow everything.
No, so that's why I'm asking you, do you have the order, copy of the order rejecting the prayer?
Yes, Lordship, Dr. Odal, Lordship. 10 minutes will be required.
Anyway,
Reject-
see,
reject.
irrespective of what order may have been passed,
Center was, that was rejected,
You know-
change the center, but only question was that his prayer was that students should be provided some bus. That for all the students, not for 4-5 students.
Buses are provided, Lordship. In lieu of center, buses are provided, Lordship.
Because
In the
that's
front
the
of
main
every
examination.
mass, Lordship.
And 8-9 subjects every day they have to go to centers.
Just
This
the
is
two
for
subjects,
one day.
Lordship.
One day they can easily go. They can come to Guwahati for
And
filing a case.
That time only for 14
Lordship,
kilometers. This
how-
was 14 kilometers, Lordship. In that case, Lordship.
no, both of you are very right. But the thing is that, you see, there's a case of students
Lordship.
and a bunch of students, isn't it? 5 of them are here. You're saying that how many total? 35,
I do not know, Lordship.
44,
44, Lordship.
44.
I do not know.
Is there any provision for providing such kind of transport to them? Nalbari?
Because as 5 has filed the petition and regarding other students, I do not know.
Okay.
Whether it is true or false, I do not know. Every student is not they are not going to appear in the compartmental examination, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly consider the nature of school, Lordship. And nature of
Nature of
student,
school,
Lordship.
so many schools are there in Assam also.
Nature of
Lordship.
schools.
It's going
there are
to
orphans also,
take the
Lordship.
sympathy of this honorable court.
There are orphans also, Lordship.
This is not the only school.
Yes,
if I-
only school, Lordship. This
How
is the
can,
exceptional
how can I,
school,
without
Lordship.
instruction, how can I say? And for changing a center, Lordship, it is not an easy task, Lordship, because examination is going to be 15 or from today itself.
Lordship,
So every question paper, everything has gone to that center. Now at this stage, everything has been arranged. Lordship, we have to declare the result within 15 days. It is not possible that they were to change the center. No?
Lordship, this is the exceptional school, Lordship. Basic updates are included in this revised guideline, Lordship.
See, we'll do one thing. There's one representation pending. Let them consider.
Lordship, Lordship,
Court is not inclined to
Lordship.
take a decision like that, you see. You have a pending representation, let it be considered. I think by Friday, the exam is by Friday, so this
But
page
at
number
this stage-
37,
Yes,
this is the representation.
But at this.
This has
stage,
been-
it's
huh?
possible to change the center, Lordship, because already.
No, that you decide.
Yes,
The CBSE regional officer will decide.
Yes, yes,
Let him look into this aspect.
yes.
Lordship,
And-
representation may be disposed of considering the nature of school and the nature of student, Lordship.
Again and again.
That is,
trying to
that is,
to draw the
that must
sympathy of
only
the
required.
honorable court.
That must only required.
Please, heart
we-
Mr. H. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
Arbora.
R.
Mr.
Bora, Learned
Standing counsel.
Standing
CBS.
Counsel, CBSE, appearing for the respondent number
Respondent number. The
Uh,
people they have.
4 and 5. No, 3, 4 and 5. Nay,
2, 3.
2, 3, 4 and 5.
Yes. 2, 3, 4,
Correct.
and 5. Yes. One is Union of India.
2, 3, 4 and 5. And who is there for the one? Union of India? Okay. Stop having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner. The writ petition is being taken up for disposal at this stage. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that their children are inmates of Eklavya Model Residential School at Dalbari in the district of Baksa, Assam. Stop. It is submitted by the Learned Council that the school has been set up for the benefit of scheduled tribe students
Lordship. BPL and orphan also, Lordship.
as well as BPL and
Orphans.
orphans residing in remote areas. Stop. The children of the petitioners are studying in class 10
Lordship.
and they are to appear for compartmental examination in certain subjects. Stop. While they were expecting to have their examination center in the near vicinity of the school, they were surprised to receive their respective admit card showing their examination center. What is this? Can you read?
That's it. PM Sri
At
Kendriya Vidyalaya.
At PM Sri Kendra Vidyalaya,
New
New
Bangladesh.
Bongaigaon, Assam, which is situated at Bongaigaon and at a distance of about 120 kilometers from the school. Stop. Since the petitioners, since the petitioners do not have the means to provide their children to travel to the examination center located at a far distance for undertaking the examination, they approached the regional officer, CBSE, through the principal of the school by filing a representation on 10/7/2025. Stop. However, since their representation has not been considered and the examination is scheduled to begin on 18th of July 2025,
15.
they are
Others 15. This student, they have from 18, their subject from 18.
Ah.
Other student 15.
okay. Others were not concerned. I'm talking about this case only.
Started.
On 18th July 2025, and being aggrieved, they are before this court. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that having regard to the
It is 15 দেখো নাই জানো?
background of the petitioners and the main objectives of setting up such kind of school for the less fortunate students the respondent authorities should be directed to change the examination centers to a nearby center easily accessible to the children of the petitioners. Stop. Miss So-and-so, learned standing counsel, CBSE, on the other hand, submits that examination in respect of other similarly situated students are due to begin from 15th of July, 2025. Stop. She further submits that as per the written instructions she has received, the supplementary examination to be conducted by the board is for a very limited period of time and to be conducted between 15 to 22nd July 2025. Stop. The board has to manage the examination within the, excuse me. 47 centers available, including Sikkim. So therefore, having regard to the limited period of time to complete the entire process and for declaration of the results, change in the examination center in the 11th hour is not feasible. Stop. The learned standing counsel therefore submits that the prayer of the petitioners cannot be accepted. Next para, while the learned counsels have made their respective submissions as above, it is noticed that the representation submitted by the petitioners on 10/7/2025 has been forwarded by the principal of the school to the regional officer, CBSE, Regional Office, Guwahati. On 11/7/2025. Stop. Therefore, having regard to the pendency of the same, this writ petition is disposed of by directing the regional officer who will decide. Regional officer is not a party.
Regional officer, I think they have met Director, Central Board of Secondary Education. Head of the control of examination is there, secretary is there.
Who will be the appropriate authority?
Actually, they have made the control of examination regional office Punjabi. He is not staying, he is staying at Delhi Lordship. So regional officer is there in Guwahati. And appropriate authority will be the Delhi Lordship.
No, for center.
Those are the center Delhi.
Delhi.
Headquarter Delhi Lordship, they will take decision. Our regional officer will forward their application to the headquarter control of examination.
Which respondent here?
Respondent number 4 Lordship.
Director.
So director, that post is not here. They wrongly made him the director as a party. Actually, the headquarter lordship,
With the direction to the, what did I say?
controller, no. Huh?
Letter was forwarded to the regional officer lordship.
Directing the
Power
regional
is-
officer, CBSE Regional Office, Guwahati, Assam, to examine the representation and take a decision within today's what, 12, 15.
Controller officer, controller party boys. Admit card from.
By tomorrow?
Examination.
Madam, by tomorrow,
Tomorrow, lordship. By tomorrow.
because 18 is the exam.
Yes, because what happened, the control of examination, he has issued the, this, admit card.
Mm.
So lordship, they have to, the regional officer has no power to take decision.
I understand that.
He
I'll
will-
take care of that.
He will.
Let him decide by tomorrow,
He will send.
by 16th of July 2025.
But they have to.
Having regard to the fact that the examinations is scheduled to be held on 18th of July 2025.
By 17 lordship.
Stop. It is also made, provided herein that the regional officer shall make necessary consultations with the authority concerned in deciding the change of center as may be required. While considering the representation. Anything to be added?
While considering the representation, authority ought to have lordship consider the nature of school and the nature of student lordship.
This,
Okay, one more line.
This-
Congress is mentioning how many schools are there in Assam also, so many schools are there like this.
It is also,
BPL,
it may also be mentioned here in that while making such consideration, the authority concerned shall take into account the nature of the school in which the petitioner's
lordship.
children are studying.
Lastly, I want to say something.
Yes,
The school is going to be closed. So many allegations are there against this school. Lordship, very
that's another
sorry.
aspect.
Because
You close it down.
Residential school, so many.
So many litigations, so you're closing it.
So actually, that school is not running properly. Malpractice
okay.
and so many lots.
Anyway, 17 is okay. No, 16 is okay.
17 lordship.
Well,
Because
17, if you decide, then how will they go? That's the thing.
16 lordship.
then they
By
have to
tomorrow.
actually let them approach the CBSA authority regional
Hmm.
office today.
Lordship,
itself.
if the copy is order is uploaded, lordship, we'll furnish today itself, lordship. Madam,
Along with the applications. Let them furnish lordship.
আপুনি কথাটো কৈ দিব নহয়।
এখন কপি দিব লাগিব অৰ্ডাৰ লগত নিদিলে কেনেকে হ'ব পিটিচনাৰ নিদিলে মই দিম নেকি
Yes, sir.
Obliged.
For orders, item numbers 12 to 27.
Here, the contempts and the reviews are listed together. Perhaps the reviews have to be taken up by the bench which had actually passed. the-
Exactly, that's what I noticed. It has to be taken before the appropriate bench.
My lord.
And order accordingly. Registry to list these matters before the appropriate bench.
For admission item 1,
Maybe lordship. my lord.
Yes.
The my lord petitioner is the teacher, my lord. He was suspended, my lord, on 24/2015, my lord. Due to he was absent in the evaluation duties, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner approached this honorable court and honorable court set aside the suspension order. He was reinstated, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner reinstated service, accordingly petitioner joined in the service. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner joined in service, but the area of the salary was not paid. Again, the petitioner approached this honorable court.
Area of salary for suspension period
Suspension period, my lord.
that was regularized.
Regularize.
Okay.
Regularize. That period was not given. So the honorable court directed the suspension period, service of the suspension period of LRA should be paid. But still today, not paid, my lord. And the earlier litigation was directed to the discipline proceedings should be initiated. And that was initiated and the petitioner reply also, my lord. But still today, my lord, nothing has been done, my lord. My lord, kindly see them on order, my lord.
Where is the order?
My lord, kindly first suspension order, my lord, page 29, my lord.
No, leave aside the suspension order. You
Court's
tell
order,
me,
my lord.
show me the order by which you say that you should be given the area salary.
My lord, the court's order, my lord, kindly see the honorable court's order, first order, my lord, page 16, my lord. Page 30.
30.
Yes, my lord.
Operative is 35.
According party is 35. my lord.
35. So suspension set aside, but it shall not preclude from
Yes,
drawing a
And
such
that
proceedings.
again approach this honorable court, that
Hmm.
order, my lord, page 41, my lord.
41.
Yes, my lord. 41. And relevant part, my lord,
Hmm.
page 43, my lord. This order clearly stated, man, 42. This earlier order also mentioned. Page 42, my lord.
This was in 2019.
Yes, my lord.
Then
Thereafter,
after that, what happened?
thereafter, my lord, the show cause notice was issued by the authority, my lord, is 44, my lord. We replied, my lord. The petitioner replied.
Okay. Then
Then, my lord, after that, my lord, still today, my lord, nothing has been done, my lord.
only show cause.
Show cause we also reply also, my lord.
Show cause and reply. That much only.
That part, my lord.
Besides that, nothing has happened.
Nothing has been happened.
Show cause is dated.
Show cause dated, my lord. Page, my lord,
44.
44, my lord. Yes, my lord. 44, my lord.
This is 19. November 19.
Yes, 4th December, my lord.
4th December is your reply.
Reply, my lord. Reply, my lord.
Then after that,
After, my lord, that, my lord,
April 21, prayer for regularization.
yes, regulation was done, my lord, but salary, the suspension period, the area of the suspension period was not done, my lord. And the from the regularized, I was, the fixed salary was given to me, my lord, since 2015.
There is no order regularizing your period of suspension.
Yes, my lord.
Where? Where's the order?
My lord, the.
There is no order.
My lord, I will reinstate my service and.
No, reinstatement is another thing. Regularizing your suspension period is another thing. You came again before the court by filing WPC 4467 2021.
2788.
This was withdrawn with liberty to file afresh. Now again you are filing. This is the fourth time. This is the fourth round.
Fourth time.
Fourth round.
Fourth round, yes.
So you said that your suspension period has been regularized, but you have not been paid the salary.
Yes.
Where is the order of regularization? First of all, show me that.
Regularization. Oh, my lord, the regular revision. My lord, page 37. Page 37, reinstated that part only.
I'm not asking you about reinstatement. I'm asking you about regularization of the suspension period.
That part is not my,
If it is not there, then you're not getting arrear salary. So what is wrong in that? They have to go step by step. Reinstatement, then how the suspension period has to be treated. They will consider and pass necessary orders. If it is regularized, then
the show cause notice was issued, my lord. We replied.
as on, if it's as on duty, then you'll be paid your salary, entire month's salary.
But that part
But if it
not-
is,
Nothing, my lord, when order was passed. Show cause was, notice was served and we are replied, there is nothing has been done.
Ms. Pitas, where is your affidavit?
Your lordship, affidavit, we could not able to file it because
Why?
your lordship, second DPC has not been initiated due to holidays, summer holidays is still going on, your lordship.
Second DPC?
Your lordship, first has been initiated, your lordship, the departmental proceeding has done, your lordship,
Where is the,
against the petitioner. But
Where?
the final report is still awaited, your lordship. That's why, your lordship, we are not able to file our affidavit. That final report.
what
Outcome-
proceeding are you drawing?
Outcome of the DPC, your lordship.
What kind of proceeding are you drawing? Tell me. 2019, you given show cause November. In December, the petitioner filed reply. After that, nothing happened till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, your lordship, we have communicated, your lordship, and as per their submission, your lordship, I am submitted it, your lordship, that DPC is still pending. And
How long
before-
how long can you drag the DPC?
Lordship, 1 month will be needed, your lordships, as 20 to 25 days will be allowed, your lordship. And your lordship, till now, till 31st, your lordship, due to summer holidays, school is closed, your lordship. Summer holidays is still going on.
Oh, school is closed means what? DPC cannot be
This
held?
is assistant teacher, your lordship. Petitioner is the assistant teacher, your lordship.
So, he's not a student. He can draw DPC anytime.
Till 30th July, your lordship. Thereafter, your lordship, DPC will be proceed, your lordship.
So everybody is in a holiday mood now. For 1 month, they'll go on holiday. After 1 month, they'll come back and see what DPC can be done.
That is
How
one
is that?
fresh instruction, your lordship, which I received.
No,
through
but please
communication.
understand, the DPC started, so-called DPC, by giving one show cause, you say that this is DPC. That was in 2019, 6 years back. Till today, nothing is happening. And you tell me that there's summer vacation going on. Is that your instruction?
Yes, your lordship.
What is that? What does it say?
So I can,
No, just read, what does it say?
Chief, as summer vacation, school is closed, so DPC cannot be initiated. So your lordship, that is the only thing, and your lordship, for that, your lordship, some time may be asked for your lordship to grant some time, your lordship. Until 30th July, your lordship, the school will be closed.
But on 9th of May, you had taken 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit.
Yes, your lordship. I thought your lordship, after that, your lordship, DPC will be done and your lordship final report will be submitted. And as according to that final report, we have to file our affidavit. Beforehand, we cannot file from our side, your lordship.
Okay. We will do one thing. We'll give you 3 more weeks' time to get your instructions and file your counter affidavit. If you do not file, court will take a decision on the basis of materials available.
Maybe 4 weeks time may be granted.
What will happen in 4 weeks? Why not 5 weeks? Why not 6 weeks? This will go keep on dragging.
19 matter, my lord.
2019, you give one show cause in 2019, and then after that you just forget about everything. And you say that summer vacation is going on, we cannot do DPC. Summer vacation is going on still 2019. Please write down. Parties are represented by the respective councils. Stop. This is the fourth time the petition is before this court. Stop. Grievance of the petitioner is that although his or her, his suspension has been revoked by the respondent authority, but the suspension, the suspension period has not been regularized, and that he has also not been paid any area salary for the same. Next para. It is seen that show cause notice was given to the petitioner.
46.
Page,
Page 46, madam. Sorry, 46.
petitioner on 4/12/2019. And the petitioner submitted his reply on 24/4/2021. Stop. However, no further steps appears to have been taken since then. Stop. Today, Ms. P. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department, submits that as per the instructions received by her, since the school is having summer vacation, DBC could not be completed.
Till 30th July.
To stop, she submits that summer vacation is due to last till 30th of July 2025. Next para, considering the above position, let the matter be listed. On 18th August 2025. Stop. It is made clear that the respondents should file their counter affidavit by the next court date, failing which court will have no other option but to proceed with the matter on the basis of materials available on record.
Hello.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item 2.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
There is a direction to file affidavit now, just now I have
Today
received.
I have filed it, your lordship. Affidavit has been
Copy.
filed. And
You want some time to go through and file a reply?
I'll definitely reply, but I have gone through just now, but main issue is not addressed by them. Issue is that the petitioner was suspended and reinstated. After that, my lord, he was not any cooperation providing the bank statement because when in suspension period, somewhat other person has taken the in charge, headmaster. So at that time, the bank statement is required to prepare the audit. So there is a representation that kindly give me the bank statement. So that was not they are not in cooperation. Now they put blame on me that I am not.
bank
cooperating.
statement will
No,
not be.
bank
with-
statement should come that suspended period so that
No,
he can.
whose bank statement, whose account?
School's expenditures, my lord.
statement-
When here charge is given to some other persons at the headmaster at that period of time, so expenditures column, the bank of the bank accounts of the schools.
No, you have given charge to somebody else.
Yes, yes, I was
So-
suspended, reinstated.
You
Now
have,
the audit-
you have given charge to somebody else. It is not your headache that somebody else who has taken the charge will do the needful.
They said now that I have to give in the audit report. So audit reports, I need the whole bank statement, but what is expenditure in my period and their period. So they can provide me.
Oh, in the audit report, I think you can very well indicate that during this period, so and so was in charge of the post of principal. I was not there. How can you answer for somebody when you were not there?
This inspector of the school was given in charge as in charge.
You indicate that in your audit report also,
Now,
that within this period, the inspector of school was in charge. Bank statement may be procured from the officer concerned.
bank manager says that you kindly, we have the statement, you just obtain an instruction that I have to provide you this bank statement. Oh, I know what is what, but they are not providing me. They says that since you are not giving all the statements, so your pension your audit report is not clear.
Anyway, the affidavit is not on record.
Yes.
You have received a copy. You file a response to that if you want.
Yes, anyone may be taken.
A week's time, 2 weeks time, when, how much time?
I know I can do within 2 days, but nothing is there. And previous dates, your lordship, this honorable court has said to details affidavit to address this issue. Nothing is
Lordship,
addressed by.
even he had a contempt petition. In that petition, direction was given to the petitioner to cooperate with the department, with the school, your lordship. And that has not come from his side, your lordship. He is not cooperating.
In contempt petition.
Allegation
Yes, yes,
counter
your
allegation
Co-
was
Contempt against what, which order?
very.
Because he has retired, your lordship, the provisional pension was not given. So a contempt petition was filed, your lordship.
Even department
And,
person
Is it still pending, contempt or closed?
Lordship, I think it has been closed.
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 Provisional pension now released, madam.
Closed.
It has been
This
released. your lordship.
petitioner
So we are not concerned with contempt then, it's already closed. We are concerned with this writ petition.
now only.
See, whatever you have to submit, you submit in your response. We'll see what can be done.
So 3 prayer is there, final pension, because more than one.
Final pension will be given
Second-
only when he
secondly,
provides the audit report, your lordship.
To facilitate me to prepare the audit report, and thirdly, my area salary and suspension period that was not released. This is the 3 prayer of my writ petition. They have to address all these points. If not sufficient, then your lordship may again. So today report is not before this lordship.
Please write, Ms. D. Mohasahari, Learned Counsel,
Secondary education.
Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department submits that she has filed the counter affidavit
Lordship.
today.
Today, your lordship. He has received a.
And Mr. M.J. Barua, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received a copy of the same.
Yes, today only on this court.
Stop as paid for by the parties, list the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. The petitioner may file rejoinder affidavit. In the meantime, you so advised.
Obliged.
For hearing, item 3.
May I please, as your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, before proceeding with the matter, my lord, I would like to draw my lordship's attention, my lord, and the speaking order is under challenge, my lord. But till date, the respondents, my lord, has not yet filed any affidavit, my lord.
Which respondent?
The secondary education department, my lord.
Why? They're not interested to file.
Maybe, my lord, but on one occasion, a statement had been made that they are intending to file an affidavit.
It's only 11 years old. Case is only 11 years old.
That is correct, my lord. That's why, my lord, if we proceed, my lord, if affidavit is required, then I will be wasting my lordship's valuable time, my lord. That's the reason, my lord.
What is this regarding suspension?
No, my lord, the issue is very limited, my lord. I and my respected friend, my lord, both were appointed as a Hindi teacher in a, my lord, senior madrasa at that relevant period of time.
Hindi teacher. Okay.
Now, my lord, that madrasa has been converted into high schools, my lord.
Okay.
Now, dispute between both the parties, my lord, myself as well as my
Private
respected
respondent.
senior friends, client, my lord, is the dispute regarding that post, that who holds the proper qualification. Now, accordingly.
There's only one post.
One post, my lord, one post of Hindi teachers, both were appointed.
But both were appointed.
Both were appointed, my lord.
Two persons appointed, again one post.
No, but before that, I was appointed. I am the senior, my lord. Subsequently, he came in. Subsequently, he came in. That's why, my lord, I have put into challenge, my lord, his continuation in the said post, my lord, of Hindi teacher, that there is a, my lord, attempt had been made to remove me because by holding my degree to be not proper, my lord. Now, when I made a challenge.
This is a high school.
At this moment, this is a high school.
Provincialized.
Perhaps, my lord, it has been provincialized.
How many sanctioned posts are there?
Lord,
Hindi teacher.
the only one, my lord.
Only one.
Only one.
How come both are working then?
No. At this moment, my lord, I am not there.
You're not working.
I am not there by virtue of a.
You have been replaced.
I have been replaced
By the private respondent.
By the private.
That's why you filed this petition.
Exactly, my lord. A speaking order is under challenge, my lord, and that's why, my lord, I have.
Speaking order is passed by whom?
By the director of Madrasa Education is at the last page, my lord. Is at page 63, annexure 17, my lord.
Page 63.
My lord.
This is a second round,
My lord, in fact, this is a fourth round, my lord.
fourth round.
Fourth round. And another difficulty, my lord, is that I have lost contact, my lord, with the petitioner also, my lord. That is another. I'm sorry, my lord, I am making that submission because, my lord, I have tried my best through telephone or by the other means, but I could not make any contact with him, my lord. It's a long pending matter, my lord, 14 matter, my lord.
So what do you want to do then?
No, my lord, an affidavit is very much required, my lord, an affidavit, at least for the proper adjudication, my lord. How they have passed the speaking order.
Okay, affidavit is one thing, then again, another thing is about the contract with your client.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Whether he is still interested to pursue the matter or not.
That is correct, my lord.
He may not be interested
May
also,
not
who
be
knows?
interested, my lord, then,
Let this matter come after 2 weeks.
my lord.
Mr. Kaushik, can you, why don't you obtain instructions and file something?
I think rather than instruction, one of the, because this is the case where the petitioner was not selected in the selection process. And the respond number 5 was selected. So I'll try to get the instruction with regard to the selection process.
Oh, see, if you don't have much instructions or
No,
whatever,
my
you don't have
lord,
much to
the
say.
selection-
You also say that the director has nothing much to say.
My lord,
At least say something. Take a stand.
My lord.
This way or that way. Instead of just remaining blank like that and making oral submissions. Because later on,
No, my lord,
if it
I
doesn't, if it's not supported by any record,
My lord, if I make a submission that the petitioner is not interested to pursue without any proper instruction, I will be in trouble, my lord. That's the difficulty.
that's why.
My
You take instructions,
Mal.
you write to him or whatever you have to do. I don't know.
Mal.
Because it's since 2014.
Correct. Karan wanted to come Korea, sir.
Yes, yes, he is going to die very soon.
Who?
He suffered from liver cancer, my client, my client.
Oh, your client.
He will die within 3-4 months.
My lord.
Because signal has been given from the Vellore.
Oh,
My service has been provincialized also.
And my lord,
anyway,
my client is surviving or not, that is another issue, my lord, because
He is trying to surviving and working in some other school. That information I have got.
he's
Then-
got
then-
better information than
Then, my lord, he is alive, my lord. I can make a contact with him. I will try to make a contact.
Mr. Bhuyan, you try to contact his client and you try to contact his client.
Yes, yes.
My lord,
They will know each other very well.
Yes.
my lord.
Okay, although the
Okay,
matter
I
is
come
listed
to-
for hearing, it is seen that the official respondents have not filed their counter affidavit till date. Stop besides,
Don't know.
I know.
Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he needs to take up-to-date instructions from his clients. Stop in view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
His client is also 58 years old now.
See, he knows better than you. Mr. Bhuyan doesn't know about his client. You know it better.
Better, my lord.
On a date to be fixed by the registry. Official respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime.
After 3 weeks, correct?
2 weeks.
2 or 3.
2 weeks. You want 3 weeks?
That is with 3 weeks. my
My
lord.
lord,
Okay,
one
make it
date
three-
is not fixed, it will not come, my lord. It will come after a long back.
I'm speaking from experience.
My lord.
That's why I said 2 weeks.
My lord.
It may be 4 weeks or who knows.
My lord.
Right.
Let it remain as 2 weeks.
My
Okay?
lord. Obligement. I love that.
Item 5,
Higher education.
May please your lordship. I was appointed as a senior instructor.
Just a minute. Anyone from the other side? You're there. Mr. Gogoi.
I was appointed as senior instructor in 1992.
Senior instructor.
Yes.
Yes.
Thereafter, I was promoted to the post of foreman in 2004. And as a foreman, I am working as foreman till date. I am eligible for promotion to the post of lecturer as per
Post of lecturer.
lecturer. As per Assam Technical Education Service Rule 1981, 11(3)(c).
Eleven three C.
Yes,
Have you annexed that rule
yes.
page?
Page number, Lordship, page number, in my repetition, page number 9.
9.
Yes.
Oh, you have abstracted it. Oh,
9 and 10. Thereafter, I had filed an application, page number 128, for promotion to the post of lecturer. On 28/3/2008.
this is your representation
Yes,
before the commission.
I had approached before this honorable court, and accordingly this honorable court passed an order directing the respondent authority to consider for my promotion. Page number 161.
This is the second round.
Yes.
Second round.
Thereafter, the respondent authority passed an speaking order, page number, I copy page number 164. The operative portion, page number 165. I am reading it, page number 165. After verifying all the required criteria of the applicant as per OM Nong so it is found that the incumbent does not fulfill the norms for promotion to the post of lecturer in Polytechnic, as he possessed second-class bachelor's degree in engineering. Hence, the case of Sri Manoj Kumar Tele Farman for promotion to the post of lecturer could not considered in terms of Assam Technical Education Service Rule 1981.
Okay, what is the requisite?
I am going. They have rejected my candidacy as per OM 2004.
No, they say you possess only second-class bachelor's degree in engineering.
Yes.
What is required? First class?
First class is required for direct recruitment.
Okay.
They rejected my candidacy as per OM 2004.
Okay.
I am going to 2004. Now, page number 82.
This is the OM.
This is
OM of 2004.
yes, page number 82. Adoption of EICT recommendations regarding recruitment of lecturer. Regarding recruitment of lecturer. And the last paragraph, accordingly.
Yeah.
Point A, accordingly, while making recruitment of lecturer in polytechnics, oblique promotion to the post of senior lecturer. While the recruitment of lecturer in polytechnics, that is a direct recruitment, oblique promotion to the post of senior lecturer, that is lecturer to senior lecturer, promotion, for promotion. Head of the department for promotion, senior lecturer, head of the department, principal of the polytechnics, academic qualification and experience will be as prescribed. That is senior lecturer, head of the department. For that, I am for promotion from foreman to lecturer.
So where is the provision?
This is direct recruitment.
So where is the provision for promotion?
Page number. Page number 9. Recruitment by promotion as lecturer. Polytechnic appointment by promotion in cadre of lecturer, Polytechnic shall be in the manner provided hereinafter. Clause 3, 3C. A member of the cadres of senior instructor, page number 10, 11 A member of the cadres of senior instructor, foreman, and supervising instructor in the Assam Technical Education Service shall be eligible for promotion to as lecturer, Polytechnic, subject to the following conditions. Clause C, he possesses qualification and experience as prescribed for the cadre of lecturer, Polytechnic in Schedule 2. Schedule 2, in the same page, last point, bachelor's degree in engineering, public technology.
Where is that schedule 2?
Schedule 2,
Where are you reading from?
I am reading from page number 10.
Clause 3C.
Page number 9, Rule 11, page number 10, 3C.
That's what I'm saying, 3C.
Yes.
Schedule 2.
Schedule 2, last I am reflects.
Where is this schedule 2?
Schedule 2, bachelor's degree in engineering.
Where is that?
Last point, page number 10.
This is the abstract of schedule 2.
Yes.
So it doesn't say first class, second class like that.
Lordship,
It says bachelor's degree.
Lordship, the respondent, the AICT has amended for direct recruitment that the first class qualification is for direct recruitment. Amendment has been made in terms of OM 2004. The said OM is for only direct recruitment. The amendment I am referring is number notification is number 91.
Page number 91.
91 and 92. Relevant portion 92.
What is this notification? Amendment of 1981 service rules.
Yes. Page number 92, clause 4, amendment rule. Amendment of rule 11 in the principal rule of for rule 11(3)(c), the following shall be substituted, namely, he possesses qualification and experience as prescribed for lecturer, for the cadre of lecturer, polytechnics, as prescribed by the AICT from the time to time, as adopted by the government of Assam.
Okay, so where is the AICT norms? Prescription of AICT forms.
AICT norms is first class.
AICT norms is first class.
Yes.
Then?
But the said amendment has been made in terms of 2004 in page number 93.
Yes, what is this? 93?
By amendment of schedule, the principal rule, schedule 3 is amended as specified by the AICT and adoption by the Government of Assam by the latest office memorandums number so and so and notification technical so and so 2004. Is direct request.
Amendment of Schedule 2, the principal rules, Schedule 2 is amended and as specified by the
Schedule 2. Thereafter,
So what does this say? It says the principal rule of Schedule 2 is amended as specified by the AICT and adopted by the Government of Assam as per the OM of 2004. 2004 says first class. So that is where you're stuck.
if 2004 is for direct recruitment.
But this rule doesn't say that. This amendment of these rules of 1981, it says that he possesses qualification experience as prescribed by the cadre of lecturer, polytechnic as prescribed by the AICT from time to time and adopted by the Government of Assam. And as likewise, the schedule has also been amended as specified in the OM of 2004. So whether it be direct recruitment or whether by promotion, the norms are the same. This is what I believe they are saying. You're trying to differentiate that OM is for direct.
Yes.
My case is for promotion.
Yes.
I should be covered by 1981.
Yes.
But 1981 has been amended. The rules have been amended. The relevant rules of 4C, 11C, which says that you should possess the qualification as per the AICT norms, which is adopted by the state. Now, the amendment of the Schedule 2 says that, okay, schedule is also amended and it shall go as per the OM of 2004. So unless you challenge this amendment, how do you say that you should also be considered
Lordship, already this honorable court,
just because you are a graduate,
the past,
irrespective of your division or distinction or whatever you have?
already this honorable court has passed an order, page number 124.
124.
124 clearly stated that the said OM is for direct recruitment. The amendment is for direct recruitment.
This 124 is a part of the order where
Yes.
you, in which case?
In the similarly situated case, already this honorable High Court passed for another similarly situated.
When was the order passed?
This order has been passed in the 1/8/2016. With number 17, I am reading.
Amendment came in 2008.
Yes,
Okay, 124. What was the case here?
in this case, clearly that's
Lecture of
I am reading it, though in the additional affidavit filed by the direct.
from where you
director,
reading? Where? Wait, just a minute. From where you reading?
Page number 124, 1.17,
Paragraph?
paragraph 17.
Yes, read.
Though in the additional affidavit filed by the Director of Technical Education Assam on 28/10/2014, a stand has been taken that as per the Government of Assam Office Memorandum, OM dated 2000, the qualification for appointment of lecturer in Polytechnic has been enhanced to first-class bachelor degree in appropriate branch of engineering technology. A perusal of Rule 8 would go to show that the academic qualification of a candidate for direct recruitment shall be as prescribed by the governor from time to time. Thus, OM dated so-and-so was issued in terms of Rule 8. Viewed in the above perspective, the government OM data so providing for enhanced eligibility criteria deals with direct recruitment.
What is this Rule 8?
Rule 8 deals with for direct recruitment.
Rule 8 of what? Which rule? Show me that Rule 8. Where is it?
Academic qualification for direct recruitment.
Yes. So what has happened to this case?
Nothing.
It has attained finality.
No logic.
Hmm?
No logic.
Huh?
I am
The
I
case
can't-
file, the writ petition filed by Pradeep Kumar Tamuli,
yes.
has
earlier.
it become final?
Yes.
And any appeal filed?
No logic. For
So-
that order, the respondent authority have not accepted that order also.
Has it been complied with then?
Already promoted.
This is Annexure 16, correct? Annexure 16 of your writ petition. It's against which statement in paragraph? 16.
16. Paragraph 17.
Sixteen. What do you understand by this decision?
Okay.
In that case,
By this honorable court decided that the said amendment is for direct recruitment. Already the candidate has already promoted in terms of this order. Further, it is clearly understood that the said OM is for direct recruitment. I am seeking promotion as per Assam Technical Education Service Rule 1981. AICT, I am not within the purview of AICT. There is no mention anywhere in the AICT notification for promotion the from foreman to lecturer. AICT started from lecturer for direct recruitment and lecturer to senior lecturer, head of the department, etc.
Where is the rules for that? Senior instructor to foreman, then lecturer.
Yes, my post is governed by Assam Technical Education Service Junior Rules 1984.
Junior,
Yes. But
1984.
yes, my post is governed. I am seeking promotion.
Post of senior instructor and foreman.
Yes,
They're governed by that 1984 rules.
84.
Have you annexed that 84 rules?
Yes.
Where is it?
That is not enclosed. That is not enclosed. I have separate rule.
Then what about lecturer? A lecturer will be under the 1981 rules.
Yes,
This is only for senior instructor and foreman.
foreman. My post is governed by rule.
What about senior
1984
instructor?
and promotion is in terms of 1981.
Your basic case is that you are appointed as senior instructor,
Yes,
thereafter promoted to foreman.
foreman.
Now you are eligible to be promoted to lecturer,
Yes.
and for which that direct recruitment criteria doesn't apply to you
Yes,
because there's already a judgment from this court.
yes, okay.
And that writ petition, the petitioner was also similarly placed like you
Yes.
on the
Similarly,
promotion, not direct, isn't it? It's promotion.
promotion.
And you've made your statements.
Yes, what's it?
About that. And
Page number 22.
it's against
Page
paragraph
number-
14.
Page number 20, para 22.
No, I was more concerned with paragraph 14.
Lordship,
I was more concerned with, I'm more concerned with paragraph 14 of your writ petition, 14,
14.
wherein you have mentioned about the
Yes.
court's decision in a similar case. And in the counter affidavit at paragraph 13, they say there's no comments.
they're referring the EICT notifications, but nowhere reflects in the EICT notification regarding foreman senior instructor. Only referring for direct recruitment. EICT says only from lecturer, direct recruitment. Yes, number 14 is lecturer, designation lecturer, mode of selection, direct recruitment. Yes, it did not says about promotion from foreman within the purview of the ICT.
What is the full form of AICT? All in Assam,
All India.
All India
Yes.
Council for Technical Education.
Yes.
And they don't provide for the post of foreman and like this thing instructor, isn't it?
There are separate rule.
AICT, is there any rules for foreman and senior instructor under the ICT?
No. There is a senior instructor foreman. There is separate rule 1984 and 1981. EICT only from a lecturer, direct recruitment lecturer to higher post, higher cadre.
Okay. Similarly, in Assam, you have the Assam Technical Education Service Rules.
Yes.
The lowest post is what? Lecturer.
Lordship.
It starts from lecturer, isn't it?
Lordship.
No, class 1 post, we have class 1 post, you have class 2 posts. Class 1 and class 2.
That is.
The Assam rules, what does it take care of? What classes of employees? Director, principal, professor, assistant professor, workshop superintendent. Then these are there. We were concerned with 11C, isn't it?
Yes.
11C. Recruitment by promotion as lecturer, polytechnic.
Yes.
He possessed the qualification and experience as prescribed by for the cadre of lecturer, polytechnic in Schedule 2. Now, by virtue of that amendment in 2008,
yes,
they say that the AICT norms will prevail.
Yes.
AICT norms provides for first class.
Yes.
And which says there's no distinction that it should be direct or it should be for promotion. It says AICT norms will prevail. You say that this is only for direct recruitment.
Direct recruitment. Further, I had applied before such amendment. I had eligible and applied
When?
for promotion in
When? Before 2008.
Yes. Page number 128.
128.
28/3/2008.
28.3. Amendment came in what, in July?
Amendment, yes. July,
First.
21st of July.
Huh? But just see the page 91.
Page 91.
It has been given retrospective effect. Rule 1, sub rule 3. These rules shall be deemed to have come into effect from first day of January 1996.
Other this amendment is direct recruitment.
Oh, forget about the direct recruitment. I'm talking about the effective date of these rules. You say that you have applied before the amendment. Amendment has been given retrospective effect from 1996. It's rather unusual. Normally rules are prospective, but here is one case wherein the amendment rules of 2008 has been given retrospective effect from 1996, 1st of January. So your submission that you submitted your representation before amendment doesn't work. Amendment has been given retrospective effect. Okay, we'll take a break for 5 minutes and come back. Hmm. So, anything else? That is your case?
Yes, Lordship, this OM and amendment is not applicable for me. Already by this Honorable High Court passed an order in similarly situated candidate.
That is what I was telling you. That is what was bothering me. That's why I pointed out that particular paragraph where you annex that order. Respondents have not made any reply. They said no comments.
Yes.
That is the only thing. Otherwise, you see, we have to see what has happened, whether this is applicable or not, but there's already one order passed by this court, a coordinate bench. And you say that there's no appeal, or you don't have any idea about that.
Yes, Lordship, I enclosed the respondent already appointed that person.
That person is appointed?
Yes.
Where's that?
Page number 126.
126.
Yes.
What is his name?
Pradeep Kumar Tamuli.
Pradeep Kumar Tamuli. He was the one who has filed that petition.
Yes.
Just a minute, okay. Pradeep Kumar Tamuli. Then senior foreman, post of lecturer.
Senior instructor
No, senior foreman.
or senior foreman. Thereafter.
This is annexure 17.
Yes.
Now let us see, where have you made that statement in paragraph?
Paragraph number
15.
Lordship.
Paragraph 15. And reply to paragraph 15.
22. Oh, dear.
Reply to paragraph 15 is at paragraph 13 of the counter affidavit at page 175. And they say no comments. So let me ask Mr. Gogoi now. Any decisions you want to rely upon, anything, any other decision? That's all. Okay. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. You are for which respondent? All the respondents.
Technical Education Department, Lordship.
Technical education. One is higher education. Technical means what?
Higher education, Lordship.
1, 2.
Lordship, I am representing 1, 2.
And 4.
1, 2, and 4 is by my senior friend, Lordship.
Personnel. Okay. See, you have understood what was going on.
Lordship.
One judgment has been referred to here.
Lordship.
Filed by one Tamuli.
Lordship.
In which the coordinate bench has held that that amendment will not be applicable.
Lordship.
Or it's meant only for direct recruitment, not for promotees.
Lordship.
And you have acted upon it and promoted this Tamuli.
Lordship.
What to do now today?
Lordship.
Can I take a different view?
No, Lordship. Lordship can take the view which was held by this honorable court, Lordship, the subsequent cases, Lordship. I will place it, Lordship.
Subsequent cases.
Lordship. Same case, same petitioner applied, same counsel applied. I will place everything, Lordship.
Okay.
Here, totally, this case is totally misplaced, Lordship. First, I just clarify, Lordship, that Tamuli's case, Lordship. Tamuli's case, the DPC was held in 2006, Lordship. Departmental Promotion Committee was held on 2006, Lordship. And the amendment came into force in 2008, Lordship.
Oh, that effective date. What do you say about that? I've seen
that part, Lordship.
retrospective effect or what?
Although it was written as retrospective effect, nobody has challenged it, Lordship. Otherwise also, Lordship, the rules always, Lordship, prospective, Lordship.
Rules are always prospective,
Always
that's why.
prospective, Lordship. There is no dispute, a settled proposition of law, Lordship.
Hmm.
But otherwise, the amendment part, it says that it should be effect from 1996, Lordship. 1st January of 1996, Lordship. From the date of getting the AICT scales of pay, Lordship. So, my lord, may kindly, by the term of dictionary, I can get 741 page to that, 741. This is the rules, Lordship, Assam Technical Education Service Rules 1981, Lordship. This rules is applicable. So, Lordship, regarding that effective part, last paragraph, Lordship, these rules shall be deemed to have come into effect 1st day of January 1996. That is the date from which the AICT pay scales have been granted to the teachers, technical and non-technical of engineering colleges and polytechnics in the state of Assam, accordance with the notification dated so and so by the Finance Department of Government of Assam in exercise of power under provisions of Article 309 of the Constitution of India, Lordship. The basic reasons for date of effect of 1st of January 1996 is that, Lordship, the introduction of the AICT's scale of pay, Lordship, from that day, Lordship, the teachers, teaching and non-teaching staffs are getting the AICT scales of pay, Lordship. That is the motive behind the legislature, Lordship. This is the intention of the legislature. Otherwise, Lordship, rules always prospective, Lordship. There is no doubt. Even, Lordship, for a time being, Lordship, we kept aside that particular part, Lordship, regarding effective part 1996, Lordship. We kept aside that part in particular cases, Lordship. It's because this is not the considered point before your Lordship. If, Lordship, we are the settled proposition of law that rules should be prospective effect. If go by the prospective effect also, Lordship, the petitioner's case should be covered, Lordship, after 2008. As because, Lordship, the DPC of the petitioners was held in 2020, 2020, Lordship. That particular Pradip Tamuli's case, Lordship, the DPC was held, Lordship, prior to the amendment of, Lordship, 2020 rules, 2008 amendment, Lordship. It's in 2006, Lordship. And this fact will be clarified by another judgment of this Honorable Court, Lordship, coordinate bench judgment. We have discussed, Lordship, the judgment of that particular case also. By the objection. Before going to the facts, I'll just clarify the judgment which was relied by my friend, Lordship. After that, I'll place my case, Lordship, as per the...
No, see, Mr. Gogoi, before that, this Tamuli's case was decided in 2016.
Lordship.
Correct.
Lordship.
By the time amendment already came.
Amendment already came as because, Lordship, the consideration was took place prior to the amendment, Lordship. Consideration was took place in 2006, Lordship. 2006 consideration was took place in 2006, but his case was rejected on the ground that, Lordship, he was not that first class person, Lordship. Eligibility criteria.
No,
that's why findings of the Honorable Court is that as because, Lordship, Lordship.
You come to page 124, paragraph 17.
Before that, my lord, may kindly come to page 121, Lordship. Paragraph 5, Lordship. Lordship. A meeting of the selection board constituted for considering promotion for the senior instructor to lecturer in the polytechnics in the state of Assam was held on 27/1/2006, but no recommendation could be made in the said meeting. Consequently, a review meeting of the selection board was held on 21/2007. In this meeting, selection board considered the candidacy of the respondent number 3 and another senior instructor Ananta Kumar Nath and recommended their promotion to the post, and case of the petitioner not considered. Therefore, the consequential promotion order was issued. That were the fact, Lordship. Then, my lord, may on as because, Lordship, the 2006 and 2007, Lordship. 2006 DPC was held and 2007 Lordship review DPC was held Lordship.
Yes, I understand. But,
Lordship.
but what do you say of this paragraph 17?
Paragraph 17 Lordship.
Although we are concerned, although the DPC was dates back to 2006 and 2007,
Lordship.
but in the additional affidavit of the director,
Lordship.
stand was taken that there's an amendment.
Lordship.
Court has clearly observed that this will not be applicable.
Lord, it is not applicable. This is the court observed as because Lordship, his case is not covered under this act provision Lordship. His case is not considered in 2006 and 7 Lordship prior to the amendment Lordship. Here the case was that department was that as because amendment was came into force Lordship.
No. There is no dispute that his case was not considered in 2006-7,
Lordship.
like the Tamuli.
Lordship.
But paragraph 17 has
Paragraph 17, there is no dispute Lordship. Paragraph 17 is not applicable in the Pradip Tamuli's case as because at the relevant point of time Lordship, the qualification was in Lordship. My Lord may kindly come to paragraph 123, page 123. Paragraph 13 Lordship. When consideration took place, this was the qualification Lordship. As per schedule 2 for the post of lecturers in Polytechnic, the prescribed qualification is having at least second class diploma plus diploma in triple IIT. It should be Lordship, IIT it should be, with 3 years teaching or industrial experience or bachelor degree in engineering and technology or equivalent AMIE besides membership examinations and other recognized professional bodies in the appropriate field are also prescribed in addition to AMIE Lordship. At the relevant point of time, this was the qualification Lordship. And the Honorable Court view was that 2004 OM was Lordship in respect of the direct recruitment. That's why this is not applicable here Lordship. There is no dispute Lordship.
Same thing, case of the petitioner today also is that his case is of not direct recruitment, but a case of promotion.
When promotion was considered Lordship? When promotion was considered? My Lordship to determine when promotion was considered. Promotion was considered prior to 2004 or prior to 2006 Lordship?
See, you are going to that date of consideration again, but
yes Lordship.
the other aspect is that paragraph 17 does not distinguish whether it was before or prior. It says that it does not apply.
So that's why Lordship have to go to the letter judgment Lordship. Letter judgment.
Let us see.
Letter judgment Lordship. As because Lordship, that particular relevant point of time, the consideration before the Honorable Court, so Pradip Tamuli's case, I explained, my Lord. It's a OM was not for the promotion. That's why Honorable Court says that although there is a Lordship, the qualification part is there, that is not applicable in the Pradip Tamuli's case Lordship. But this case is totally different. So my Lord may kindly come to Ganesh Kalita's case Lordship.
Yes, what is the relevant portion? The facts first.
Facts first Lordship. Facts is paragraph 3 Lordship.
Diploma.
Diploma. Then Lordship, paragraph 4 Lordship, paragraph 5. Paragraph 4, same submission. The learned counsel of the petitioner submits that petitioner possesses all the requisite qualification as per rules 1981. Lordship, got it?
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 4 Lordship. Paragraph 4 of this judgment Lordship.
Yes, I know.
Ganesh Kalita's judgment Lordship. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner possesses all the requisite qualification as per rules of 1981. He further submits that the office memorandum of 2004, which was published by the department, pertains only to the direct recruitment and cannot be made applicable to the cases of promotion. It is further submitted that the AICT's notification is applicable from the stage of lecturers and not prior to the date. Therefore, in the case of consideration for the promotion to the post of lecturers, there would be no application for such notifications. In any case, the council learned so-and-so submits that such notification is not meant for promotion and should be confined only to the direct recruitment, Lordship. Exactly same submission, Lordship. Then paragraph 5, Lordship. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner has also relied upon the judgment and order dated 1/8/2016 passed in WPC number so-and-so, that is Pradip Tamuli's case, Lordship. It is the contention of the petitioner that the said case as similar situated person was given the benefit of promotion, appropriate direction issued in regard, the learned counsel paid for the similar direction so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. If Lordship permit, I can read our submission part also, Lordship.
Yes, yes, read.
Then paragraph 6, Lordship. Mr. So-and-so learned standing counsel higher education department has submitted that refuting the allegations and claims of the petitioner, an affidavit in opposition has been filed on so-and-so by drawing the attention of the Rule 11 of the Rules 1981. The learned counsel submits that the said rule was amended in the year 2008, by which certain clauses were substituted. By drawing the attention of this court, the Rule 11(3), the learned counsel submits that there is a requirement to having an experience of minimum period of 8 years on the first January of the year of promotion. Under the clause C, the candidate is required to possess the qualification experience for the cadre of lecturers polytechnics as prescribed by the AICT from time to time as adopted by the government of Assam. Reference has been made to Rule 11(1) to contend that the procedure prescribed in Rule 13 and 14 of the Rule 1981 with regard to the made of promotions would also be applicable to the promotion to the post of lecturers under Rule 11. By drawing the attention of this court, the official memorandum dated 18/1/2016 issued by the Higher Education Department, Government of Assam, the learned counsel also submitted that the qualification is prescribed as bachelor degree in engineering and technology in the relevant bench with the first class or equivalent. The learned counsel so-and-so has also referred to the gazette notification dated so-and-so, wherein the minimum qualification experience have been laid down, and the cases of lecturers, such qualification has been stated to be a first class or equivalent in the relevant bench. Then, Lordship, the council submits that it appears from the record that petitioner has rendered service a major period from 17/8 so-and-so, so-and-so to so-and-so, Lordship. And he has served a computer section he has second class in computer science in the BTech, so-and-so, so-and-so, Lordship. Then, my Lord, may kindly come to paragraph 11, Lordship. Paragraph 10 also, Lordship. If Lordship, I can read paragraph 10, Lordship.
You come to paragraph 12.
10, Lordship, regarding consideration part is there, Lordship.
I've read it.
Consideration part, Lordship. Paragraph 12, Lordship. It is seen that there is a requirement of rendering service or respective cadre for a minimum period of 8 years, and the qualification experience are required for the cadre of lecturers of polytechnic as prescribed by ICT. The said rule was amended in 2008. Once the requirement of qualification and experience of prescribed by ICT is made a part of the statute, this court is unable to accept the contention made on behalf of the petitioner that such qualification experience would not be applicable in the case of promotion and should be confined only to the direct recruitment. In fact, Rule 11, as noted above, is pertaining to the recruitment by the promotion of lecturers. This court also finds force on the contention made on behalf of the department that notification dated so-and-so clearly lays down the qualification to be bachelor's degree of engineering and technology in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent. And in the instant case, it is not a dispute that the petitioner is not a first class in his BTech, he is only the second class. The materials on record also shows that petitioner lacks a minimum experience of 8 years in discipline of computer science, and he has served barely of 2 months under the discipline of Fira Kedar.
This is the
Here, Lordship, the court is, the view of the Honorable Court is that an amendment is come into force 2008, Lordship, as a prescribed qualification is there, so court cannot dilute the prescribed minimum qualification. This is the ultimate observation of the view of the findings of the Honorable Court, Lordship.
Lordship.
Why
don't you relax?
No.
Please sit down. You relax and you just note down the points which you are supposed to respond, and you'll get your chance.
Lordship. Here, Lordship, here 2 things was enumerated in paragraph 12. One is that the requisite qualification part, Lordship, the requisite qualification part cannot be diluted by the Honorable Court after reading the paragraph 12, Lordship. The requisite qualification which was after coming into force of the 2008 Amendment Act, it should be a first class lordship. Admittedly, the petitioner is not a first class, so he is not in the considered zone lordship. His case cannot be considered today lordship. Regarding experience part lordship, he has the experience. Experience part, there is no dispute lordship. He has the 8 years of experience lordship. Experience, when experience should be counted lordship. If a particular person have a requisite qualification, that experience part will be counted lordship. Even if he is more than 12 years or 30 years experience, if he has not the requisite qualification, he is not under the considered zone lordship. Here, petitioner has not the requisite qualification of the first class lordship, so he is not in the considered zone lordship. Then paragraph 13 lordship. May I read lordship?
I have completed reading.
Lordship. Then lordship, the issue is already settled.
So your argument has been accepted by the court that it relates back to a DPC of 2006.
2006.
So it was in that regard that judgment was in
That
the.
particular judgment was passed, there is no dispute lordship. As because DPC was held in 2006, review DPC was held in lordship 2007 lordship. At the relevant point of time, similarly situated two persons were considered. His case was not considered only on the ground that in the meantime 2004 OM is come, where lordship the requisite qualification was the first class. Then honorable court says that the amendment part, that part is not applicable. 2004 amendment is 2004 OM is not applicable as because it is in respect of the lordship direct recruitment lordship. Here the rule is there. So my lord may kindly come to the rule portion lordship.
Which rule portion?
Page lordship 747 lordship.
Yes.
Rule 8 lordship. Academic qualification for direct recruitment. The minimum academic qualification experience of a candidate for the direct recruitment shall be as prescribed by the ICT from time to time as adopted by the government of Assam. This is not our case lordship. Here rule
11C.
11C lordship.
11.3C.
It's 11.3C. So recruitment by promotions of lecturers and polytechnic. So my lord may directly come to 11.3C lordship. What it says that he possesses the qualification and experiences prescribed for the cadre of lecturers polytechnic as prescribed by the AICT from time to time as adopted by the government of Assam. Then my lord may kindly come to footnote lordship. It's a substitute the clause C by rule 11T published in the official gazette long 219 dated 21/7/2008 lordship. My lord got it?
Yes.
Footnote. So lordship, this is in the by the way of gazette notification 21/7/2008 lordship.
That is at page 91 of the writ petition.
Yes, lordship. 91 of the writ petition. It's by a gazette notification 21/7/2008. From that day lordship, it should be he possesses the qualification and experience as prescribed for the cadre of lecturers polytechnic as prescribed by the AICT from time to time adopted by the government of Assam lordship. So lordship, there is no dispute that after lordship 21/7/2008, the required qualification for promotion is lordship. He should possess the qualification and experiences prescribed for the cadre of lecturers polytechnics as prescribed by the AICT from time to time as adopted by the government of Assam lordship. Then my lord may kindly come to lordship schedule 2 lordship. It's in page 758 lordship. Schedule 2 lordship got it?
Yes.
So rule 8 lordship. Rule 8 is for direct recruitment. Then 11T lordship. 11T is for promotion lordship and 12.4 lordship. 12.4 is also promotion lordship. That is the qualification part. Lecturers lordship, first class master degree or equivalent appropriate field, so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so.
Clause 5 of schedule 2.
Lordship. So lordship, rule is very clear lordship. The golden principles of law which was laid down by the honorable court in honorable lordship, the Privy Council in the Nazir Ahmed case lordship, it is today hold in the field lordship. It is reiterated in the Lastly, on the Mohendra Singh case by the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship, where the statute is prescribed to do certain things in a certain way, Lordship, it should be done in that particular way, Lordship, not otherwise, Lordship. Here the prescription of the statute is that, Lordship, the particular person should possess the first class degree in the concerned field, Lordship, then he should be considered in the, Lordship, that considered zone of the promotion, Lordship. Here, Lordship, petitioner is not the requisite qualifications as prescribed by the statute, Lordship. He is not in the considered zone, Lordship. And that particular Podit Tamil is DPC was held prior to the amendment of 2006, Lordship, 2008 amendment. The amendment was came into force 21/7/2008, Lordship. The petitioner's consideration was in 2020, Lordship. So the law, rules, regulations, force at the time of consideration will be applicable, Lordship. It is a settled proposition of law. I am not reiterated the provisions of law. If Lordship permit, I can place that particular judgment, recent judgment of the My Lord Justice D.Y. Saunders also, Lordship. That was a settled proposition of law. In the Mohendra Singh case also, Lordship, the My Lord Justice Bikram Nath has, Lordship, authored that particular judgment. That judgment is also reiterated the Privy Council, Lordship. Nazi Ahmed Khan, that judgment was, Lordship, placed, Lordship. It says that for a statute prescribed to do a certain things a certain way, then it should be that particular way, Lordship. So, Lordship, as per the statutory prescriptions, the required qualifications for considerations for promotion is particular persons should be possess the first class degree in the relevant branch, Lordship. Here the petitioner is a second class, so he is not in the considered zone, Lordship. In the Ganesh Kalitas case also, Lordship, in paragraph 12, the paragraph 12 of that particular judgment, the Honorable Court reiterated that particular provisions that where the statute prescribed a certain, Lordship, qualifications that cannot be diluted. If Lordship permit, I can read it, Lordship. In that particular case, the position was that one is experience part also there. There is no dispute regarding experience. Here is only for the qualification part, Lordship. If Lordship permit, I can again reiterate it, Lordship. It is said that there is a requirement of rendering service of respective cadre of minimum 8 years, and the qualification and experience are required for the cadre of lecturer polytechnic as prescribed by the AICTE. My Lord, may kindly mark it. The said rule was amended in the year 2008. Once the requirement of qualification and experience as prescribed by the AICTE is made a part of the statute, this court is unable to accept the contention made on behalf of the petitioner that such qualification and experience would not applicable in the case of promotion and should be confined only to the direct recruitment. This is the ultimate findings of the Honorable Court, Lordship.
I've understood. See, one thing, in your counter affidavit, you have not made so many statements.
Lordship, counter affidavit, it's regarding that judgment is a part of the record, Lordship.
No, that's true, but
That's a part of the.
at least you could have stated that it's not applicable to this case.
It's a part of the record. We have reiterated in the previous paragraph. So
Paragraph 30, you simply said no comments.
no comments as because it's a Lordship, whether we can, Lordship, we can come with a judgment passed by Lordship. We can be given a review regarding the judgment rendered by Lordship.
It is not on that point I'm saying. You can have said that it is not applicable.
It is
The facts, proposition facts, the date of DPCs are not similar. So it may not be applicable. You could have stated that.
Lordship, it is a matter of record, Lordship. That's why we have record. Otherwise, paragraph 9, Lordship, we have reiterated, Lordship. After reading the paragraph 9, Lordship, nothing is required, Lordship. So, my Lord, may kindly peruse paragraph 9, Lordship.
It's okay. So that's your case, I think.
Paragraph 9, Lordship. Paragraph 9 of our affidavit, our simple case is that, Lordship, the consideration took place after the amendment of 2008, Lordship. And as per the amendment, Lordship, he has not the requisite qualification as prescribed by the statute, which is a first class in the relevant branch. Petitioner is a second class, so he is not in the considered zone. The DPC was held in 2020, Lordship, and when DPC was held 2020, the amendment rule of 2008 come into force as per the golden principles of law laid down by the Honorable Privy Council, which was reiterated by subsequent judgment by the Honorable Apex Court. We go by the statute, Lordship, the statutory prescription prescribed by the statute. So, Lordship, his case is not covered, not considered under the DPC. And in respect of the Lordship Pradeep Tamuli's case, DPC was held in 2006. At that relevant point of time, Lordship, the rule, as per the rule, Lordship, not OM Lordship, as per the rule, Lordship, the required qualification was second class. Although there is a OM was come into force in 2004, Lordship, the OM is in respect of the direct recruitment, there is no dispute regarding that part, Lordship. That's why Honorable Court finding is that the particular OM is in respect of the direct recruitment. That's why that OM is not applicable in the cases where DPC was considered in 2006, Lordship. But in the particular case of this particular petitioner's, Lordship, there is a specific rule is there. Rule came into force in 2008, where there is a promotional avenue was under Rule 11C.
All right, Mr. Gogoi,
Yeah.
I've understood your
Lordship,
case.
Lordship. That is my submission, Lordship.
Anybody else? You are there for the government? No. Deepinder, nothing. You want to reply?
Yes,
You adopt the submission. You want to reply?
yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship,
You got 5 minutes.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, learned friend said that the amendment has been made in 2008. The said amendment was made in terms of notification 2004, which is direct recruitment. Further, he said that the DPC was held in 2006. If in Pradeep Tamuli case, the said amendment and OM is not applicable, then the DPC in 2006 and amendment prior to amendment cannot come to that question.
No, I have not understood what you're saying.
He said that the DPC was held in 2006 in Pradeep Tamuli case,
Correct.
which was prior to amendment
Correct.
2008. If this amendment is not applicable for him, if this amendment is not applicable for Pradeep Tamuli,
Yes, because DPC was date back to 2006, prior to the amendment.
2006,
Prior to the amendment.
prior to
Amendment came in 2008.
Yes. If amendment is not applicable, where is the difference?
No, if amendment is not applicable, so amendment says about first class.
Yes.
So prior to amendment, there was no first class. It says that you should have so and so. And he would be eligible. Tamuli will be eligible, so he was considered. And they say that your case falls under DPC of 2020, by which time the amendment has come into force. The amendment says that the AICT norms is to be applied. AICT norms provides for first class.
No.
Admittedly, you don't have first class.
Lordship, yes. Lordship, AICT has not said about promotion from foreman to lecturer. Nowhere stated the about a promotion from foreman to lecturer. AICT has said from direct recruitment from lecturer to higher cadre. Further, the judgment which is referred before this honorable court, he was not considered for promotion as he had no experience of 8 years. He has only 2 months experience as a senior instructor. So he was not considered for promotion. In Ganesh Tamuli case.
Ganesh Tamuli did not have experience.
Yes. In paragraph number 12. He had no experience.
Experience as well as Lordship the qualification.
Here we are not concerned with experience. It's only the qualification.
Qualification part. But experience, there is no dispute, Lordship.
But
See,
AICT has not.
Mr. Counsel, you see, the rules
Yes,
the Assam Technical Education Service Rules of 1981.
yes,
It provides at 11C, it provides the qualification experience as is prescribed by the AICT from
Yes.
time to time. Then the AICT norms have been adopted,
yes.
isn't it? There's no dispute about it. It has been adopted.
Now, AICT has adopted qualification for direct recruitment. Yes,
So-
AICT not prescribed qualification for promotion from foreman to.
Nobody is
selection.
saying that AICT has provided qualification for promotion, but AICT provides qualification for direct recruitment.
Yes.
So the same criteria, the same yardstick applies for promotion as per the rules, as per the Assam Education Department, what do you call this rules? So Technical Education Service rules. So that qualification prescribed for the direct recruit has been brought in the rules of Assam. There's no dispute about that. If that is the position, then how can you say that, no, I'm the promotion, I'm to be promoted, not for direct recruitment. So these rules will not apply. Can you still say that?
Lordship, that rule has been amendment in terms of the 2004. In terms of 2004 page, which is clearly stated in 93, page number 93. Further, my case was considered, my case was for consideration before amendment, before 2008, before amendment, Lordship. And a Pradeep Tamuli case order was passed in 2017.
Okay, then if you say that, what do you say about this retrospective application? 1st January 1996. Your case was considered in 2000, which year? 2008?
2008.
8.
No. 6/12/2019 DPC.
No, initially.
No,
Initially,
I mean, according to him, I think he's eligible prior to that 2020.
Lordship,
It was only because of your first writ petition that you were considered in 2020, correct?
2019 laws.
19 or 20?
19.
19.
19, I'm correct.
The DPCs of 19 or
2019
20?
laws, 19. It page 166 laws.
Lordship, PC was 19.
Page 166 laws.
No, page 164. Minutes of DPC meeting held on 10/9/2020 at 3 p.m. in the office chamber of secretary.
Yes, Lordship, 10/9/2020. It's as
So,
as per the order. As per the order of 6/12/2019 laws.
Correct, 6/12/2019.
Yes.
So according to him, he was eligible before 2020 also. According to you, you were eligible since when? 2008?
2008.
Even then, the amendment rules applies from 1996. It goes back beyond your eligibility. Then it still debars you. Unless you say that this retrospective amendment is correct, is wrong, it should be struck down. Nobody has challenged it.
Lordship, if in case of Pradeep Tamuli case, the rule is not applicable, the same, we are together, the respondent authority have to consider together with the Pradeep Tamuli case, case number 35, kindly see, for promotion, they have sent proposal for promotion.
Anyway, Mr. Counsel, what is your good name? Your name?
Yes, Burman.
Mr. Burman. This is item number 5. Okay.
Kindly see just
See,
35.
you do one thing, you you briefly, precisely formulate your argument in reply. We'll hear you, give you 5 minutes after the break, and we'll take a decision. Okay?
Just one thing, page number 35,
You're not hungry?
36.
Mr. Gogo is very hungry. I think Ms. Didi Burma was very hungry. They're waiting for you to complete. We'll come back at 2. Okay, you just formulate in few sentences and then we'll complete your thing. Okay?
I have a mention.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 6.
6.
Today I have some difficulties, so matter may be taken any other day.
Okay, John, 6.
After
2 weeks.
I appear for the petition. I appear.
No
for the
objection, no objection.
Okay.
As paid for by Ms.
N. Fugan,
N. Fugan, Learned Standing Council,
elementary.
Elementary Education. Will not objected to by the opposite party. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Then one more remains, item 9. Who is waiting for 9? You're ready with 9?
Yes.
I don't know whether time will permit or not, because this court will rise at 3.
In this item, Lordship, on the last date itself, the order was passed for us to submit the full copy of Annexure E, Your Lordship. I brought the full copy. I may serve it upon my learned counsel, and a date may be fixed, Your Honor, because he also have to go through. There was a page missing in that annexure, Your Honor. There was an
Expect
annexure.
any other day. He will serve the copy to me as well as to me by way of affidavit, media.
Yes, Your Honor.
He will by way of affidavit, media copy to me.
No, Your Honor. Last day itself, if you peruse the order, Your Honor, it was mentioned that we do not require to file a additional affidavit, and only this annexure E should be completely provided to my learned co-counsel, which I have brought. I'll file it to the court and also to the co-counsel.
You are Mr. Chaudhary?
No, Your Honor. I'm on behalf of Mr. NNB Chaudhary, K. Kashyap, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. K. Kashyap, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. NNB Chaudhary, who represents the petitioner, submits that he will be furnishing complete annexure E of the rejoinder affidavit to Mr. K. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Higher Education Department, during the course of the day. And prays that the matter may be listed after when? After 2 weeks,
Lordship,
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
On
I'm not giving a date.
Fixing a date, Your Honor.
I'm not giving a date. You mentioned which week? First week, second week? I mean, 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
1 week will be enough, Your Honor.
After a week.
Yes, sir.
And maybe, and praise that matter may be listed again after a week on a. Okay. In view of above, let the matter be listed again after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. A copy of, you are giving the annexure E. A copy of the annexure E produced by the learned counsel for the petitioner is placed on record and marked as X for identification. So that takes care of item 9. We'll be back for item 5.
Lordship. Item 5, person.
Yes.
Lordship, my case arises in connection with my application dated 28/3/2008.
Which application?
My application for promotion
Where is that?
is number 128.
No, you just give a reply to what Mr. Gogoi had said, that's all. You don't have to go back to history again. We have heard you.
He said that in Kamuli case, there was DPC held in 2006. That is prior amendment. I had filed application prior amendment. The respondent authority had not held DPC prior amendment or till 2020. That is not my fault.
Where's your application?
My page number 128.
128.
128.
Yes.
In Kamuli case, the judgment was passed in 2017. Order in page number 35, the respondent authority that considered for promotion or the petitioner along with the Tamuli case, Pradeep Tamuli, page number 36. Now, find it.
So,
Serial number 2, Pradeep Kumar Tamule. Serial number 3, Manoj Kumar Teli.
yes, so
Date of joining Pradeep Tamuli 4/12/90 and Manoj Kumar Teli 92. He was only 2 years senior than the petitioner. His case was considered after long years and has been and promoted in 11 September 2017. If in case in respect of Pradeep Tamuli, the said rule is not applicable, then how the same rule are applicable for me? Order in the Ganesh Kolita case, he had no experience.
what is the requirement? Experience?
8 years.
8 years.
8 years. He had only 2 months.
8 years as what? As foreman or instructor?
It is a substantive cadre lordship, that particular cadre lordship, from where he should be promoted lordship.
Promotion to lecturer is from foreman or from senior instructor?
From foreman and senior instructor, same cadre.
So your promotion, your movement from senior instructor to foreman is not promotion.
Senior instructor, yes, promoted.
You say same cadre, that's not promotion.
But what are the same cadre? And in the rule says that senior instructor and foreman in rule 11 clause 3, a member of cadres of senior instructor, foreman and supervising instructor in the Assam Technical Education Junior Service shall be eligible for promotion. Yes, lecturer. That's why I am saying the same cadre.
So foreman is not a promotional post. It is an equivalent post.
Equivalent,
Whether you're a senior instructor or foreman, same thing.
same. But initially I was appointed as
No.
senior instructor.
Yes, initially appointed as senior instructor in 1992, Lordship.
92.
He was promoted to foreman in 2004, Lordship.
What reason for?
So it's promotion.
Promotional post, Lordship.
But
Promotional post, but and he should be 8 years in that for in the cadre of foreman, Lordship. If he completed the 8 years period, he should be considered for upgradation to the lecturer's, Lordship.
And
That-
for foreman, how many years?
Foreman, it should be a 3 years or 2 years that period they have counted, Lordship. It's
Number of years required is
number
less.
of years counted.
lesser.
3 years or 4 years counted, Lordship.
Where do we get that?
Regarding expense part, there is no dispute, Lordship. Expense part, not at all a dispute, Lordship.
Where do we get that in the schedule?
Lordship,
2 years, 8 years, 5 years, 3 years.
that part, Lordship, 8 years period is, my lord, my 8 years period. Regarding, Lordship, the senior instructor and foreman, Lordship will not get this in this book, Lordship. It is the non-technical post is there, other rules is applicable, Lordship.
I am quoted in page number 10
Yes.
in my writ petition.
Lordship, that part, my lord, may will get in 771, page 771 in the book, Lordship. Page 771, Lordship. Don't put very possible tapa here. Original politics is appointed as it. Original politics is appointed junior to him. Lordship 771, Lordship.
Which is govern technical education rules 1984. I already submitted before your lordship.
Hmm.
Which the said post was governed by Assam Technical Education Service.
Just tell me one thing. Like Mr. Gogoi had said, in order to be eligible to be promoted to lecture, there are two sources. You can be from instructor, senior instructor, or foreman.
Yes.
If it's senior instructor, about 8 years is required. If it's from foreman,
8 years.
from foreman,
8 years.
both 8 years.
8 years.
No lordship.
Foreman,
No lordship.
11.
Page
Where
number
do we
10.
get that? Where do we get that?
Lordship, it will be in 747, Lordship. 747. 747 A, Lordship. A member 7T Lordship, a member of the cadre of senior instructor, foreman, and supervising instructor in Assam Technical Education Junior Service be eligible for promotion as lecturers in polytechnic subject to the following conditions.
8 years.
A, Lordship, 8 years. Whether he is a Lordship, senior instructor, foreman, or supervising instructor, it will be 8 years, Lordship.
But both are eligible to be considered for lecturership.
Lordship, both are there. All three posts are eligible for.
At the same time, foreman is the promotional post of senior instructor,
Senior instructor.
isn't it? Both, it's in the same cadre. Both can be considered.
Both can be considered. Lordship, supervising assistant also to be considered, Lordship. They are originally, Lordship, the junior grade of the engineering service, Lordship. Now they are the second class. A lecturer is treated as a Lordship, category second class, Lordship. Class 2, Lordship.
Okay, so that's all.
So lordship, eligible for promotion to the post of lecturer.
You are eligible to be promoted. Your application was 2008 before amendment.
Yes.
But tell me, what does the amendment say? It goes back to 1996. Does it not cause a hurdle? Nobody has questioned that.
If such grounds is applicable for me, then in Pradeep Tamuli case, why not, that was not considered?
Pradeep Tamuli's case was considered in 2006. And thereafter, in the
2006 and 7.
subsequent DPC of 2007.
2007 review DPC lawsuit.
6-7. Then he filed writ petition in 2011.
Lawsuit.
Court said that there's some delay, but then at the same time it was admitted for hearing.
There is pending my application. They processed my applications, and accordingly, they processed my application, and for proposal has been sent to their higher authority. They sent promotion in along with the Pradeep Tamuli case.
That part I clarify page 35 lawsuit. Page 35, my lord may kindly peruse. It's a letter issued by the director in 2013 lawsuit, where all the eligible persons list were given lawsuit. Not only petitioner, Ganesh Kulta also there. That was that judgment lawsuit, cell number 10, number 1, number 2, number 3, 2013. All the persons who are eligible for promotions are list here lawsuit. Pradeep Tamuli's list also here. And Pradeep Tamuli's case was considered after 2016 Honorable Court judgment lawsuit.
But the Ganesh Kulta had no qualification of experience.
Okay. So that's it.
Just I supplement one thing. Regarding the norms, principles applicable at the time of consideration, although it is a settled provision of law,
senior only 2 years.
I will not retract lawsuit. I will not.
What is this?
Regarding lawsuit, the norms, principles, rules applicability which is prevailed on the date of consideration for promotion lawsuit. A settled provision of law lawsuit. Paragraph 12 lawsuit, by considering the earlier judgment passed by the Honorable Court, that was a reiterated lawsuit.
So what is the norms applicable in the date of consideration here? 2020?
2020 lawsuit.
As of 2020, what was there? That should be the
That
norms.
should be there lawsuit.
Okay.
That should be there. That should be there. This is the settled proportional law laid down by the highest authority of the judicial lawsuit.
But my application is prior amendment.
When lordship filing applications, eligibility, that will be not considered lawsuit. He may be eligible prior to the amendment. He may file the representations before the amendment. But when consideration should took place, that should be counted. Even Honorable Court says that when vacancies arose, there is a certain rules is there. That does not mean that that particular rule should be applicable at the time of consideration. Honorable Court time and again reiterated that it should be considered when the lawsuit consideration took place and rules and regulations applicable at that relevant point of time lawsuit. This is the settled principles of law. There is no dispute lawsuit.
But the said amendment or an enhancement of eligibility criteria is not applicable for me.
Okay.
I should be considered. Yes.
That's all. We cannot go on and on like that. You see, you have made your point, he's made his point.
Lordship,
Let me pass the order now.
Lordship, the said amendment and rule 2004 and amendment of 2008 is not applicable for me for promotion to the post of lecturer.
Okay. That is your case. The court is not bound by your case. We'll decide. Any more submission? That's all, huh? Okay. Heard, Mr. S. Burman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned
Standing counsel.
Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, for responding numbers
So 1, 2, and 4 lordship.
1, 2, and 4.
This by my senior family.
And Ms. D.D. Burman, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, for respondent number 3. So stop. This is the second time the petitioners before this court. Stop. The first writ petition being WPC number 769 of 2019 was disposed of by order dated 6/12/2019. By directing the respondent authorities concerned to examine the claim of the petitioner for promotion to the post of lecturer, bracket electrical engineering in Polytechnic in terms of the Assam Technical Education Service Rules, 1981, bracket rules of 1981. And if his case falls within the zone for consideration for promotion, such consideration should be done within a period of 3 months. Next para, the petitioner was appointed as a regular senior instructor, bracket electrical engineering, White order dated 3/9/1992. And he has the qualification of BTech in electrical engineering. But subsequently, by order dated 10/12/2004, the petitioner was promoted to the post of foreman, bracket electrical engineering, in Silchar Polytechnic. So it is the case of the petitioner that, having vast experience in teaching as senior instructor and foreman, bracket electrical engineering, in Polytechnic, he is eligible to be promoted to the post of lecturer in Polytechnic, and for which he had submitted as many as 4 representations. That is 28/3/2008, 18/12/2012, 4/8/2015, and 26/11/2018. Stop. However, as his case was not considered, he had initiated the first writ petition, that is WPC number 769/2019. Stop. Next para. As directed by this court, the case of the petitioner came to be considered by the DPC meeting held on 10/9/2020 in the office chamber of the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Higher Education, bracket Technical Department. Stop. However, the outcome of the said meeting was that the petitioner was found to be lacking the requisites as prescribed by the office memorandum dated 20/5/2004. Since she was only having second-class bachelor's degree in engineering. So therefore, he was not found to be eligible to be promoted to the post of lecturer in terms of the rules of 1981. Stop. Aggrieved. The petitioner is again before this court. Stop. Next para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the office memorandum dated 25/2004 is not applicable to the case of the petitioner. What is the relevant portion of this OM which has been relied upon? This is the adoption of AICTE norms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Isn't it? So in fact, the case of the petitioner for further promotion to the post of lecturer is governed by Rule 11 bracket 3 bracket small c of the Assam Technical Education Service Rules, 1981 bracket rules of 1981. So the learned counsel submits that the rules of 1981 came to be amended by the Assam Technical Education Service bracket amendment rules, 2008 bracket amendment rules of 2008. by which it was provided that in order to be eligible to be considered for promotion to the post of lecturer, one must possess the qualification and experience as prescribed for the cadre of lecturer, polytechnic, as prescribed by the AICTE from time to time, and as adopted by the government of Assam. To stop. As for the petitioner, he had already submitted an application for considering his promotion to the post of lecturer on 28/3/2008, which is prior to the coming into force of the amendment. And therefore, the amended rules of 2008 cannot be made applicable to the case of the petitioner. Stop. The Learned Council also submits that the AICTE norms is basically for direct recruitment and not for promotion. Stop. Since the case of the petitioner is for promotion from the post of foreman, the AICTE norms would not apply to his case. Stop. The Learned Council also submits that a coordinate bench of this court had considered a similar issue in WPC number 769 of 2019, open bracket. Manoj Kumar, no, who's this? Sorry, not this one. In WPC. Change the case number, okay? In WPC number 3327 of 2011, open bracket, Pradeep Kumar Tamuli versus State of Assam and another, close bracket, wherein it was held that the office memorandum dated 19/5/2004, providing for enhanced eligibility criteria, is for direct recruitment to the post of lecturer and would not be applicable to promotion from senior technician to lecturer. Stop. The Learned Council submits that the post of senior technician, senior instructor and foreman are all in the same category. And the feeder post for considering the feeder post for promotion to the post of lecturer. And therefore, having regard to the said decision, the amendment rules of 2004 which relies upon the AICT norms cannot be made applicable to the petitioner. So accordingly, the impugned DPC meeting minutes dated 10/9/2020 should be set aside, and the petitioner should be considered for promotion to the post of lecturer.
Lordship, one thing,
Just a minute. As per the rules of 1981, and prior to its amendment by the amended rules of 2008. Yes.
Lordship, in the amendment said that as per adoption of AICT, but AICT has not adopted till date the qualification as per Rule 11. AICT has adopted the prescribed qualification in view of Rule 8 and 12, page number 94. In pursuant to the Rule 11, AICT has not adopted till date qualifications.
No, why should AICT adopt? It is for the state of Assam to adopt AICT norms. It's not the other way around.
In page number 94, kindly see
94.
94.
Yes, what is this?
Adoption of qualification experience prescribed AICT for direct recruitment and promotion in pursuant to Rule of Rule 12(4). If adopted, there should be separate notification for adoption in pursuant to the Rule 11.
Government of Assam is pleased to adopt minimum qualification and experience for determining eligibility of for direct recruitment, promotion in Polytechnic Assam as described below. So it is there. Promotion, direct recruitment.
Yes, in pursuant of Rule 8 and 12.
Yes, 8 and 12. What is 8 and 12?
That is direct recruitment. 8 is direct recruitment.
12. Promotion to other cadres. It says both direct recruitment as well as promotion. Next, per contract.
That is higher cadre promotion.
Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department, submits that. The case of Pradeep Kumar Tambuli, Supra, is not applicable to the case of the petitioner in view of the fact that in the former case, he was considered for promotion as far back as in 2006 and 2007, prior to the coming into force of the amendment rules of 2008. So he submits that since the AICT norms have been adopted by the Government of Assam in the higher education technical department, which really provides that where is that provision, first class?
Lordship. Page our affidavit paragraph 9, Lordship. And otherwise, Lordship, here it is there.
No, in the rules, in the
Rules,
in the ICT norms.
Rules, Lordship. Rules only says that, Lordship, he possesses the qualification and experience as prescribed by the for the cadre of lectures, polytechnic as prescribed by the AICT from time to time adopted by the government of Assam. It will be very clear from our affidavit in paragraph 9, Lordship, page
Where are the ICT norms?
AICT norms. Yes, yeah. People. 16 or 22 page আছে my lord, page 94 also.
That is for other cadres.
Where's the 2004 OM?
2004 OM, let's see.
Does it provide like that?
82.
Page 82, let's see.
Which provides that in order to be eligible to be appointed as lecturer, one has to possess the qualification of first class bachelor's degree in appropriate branch of engineering, public technology, or first class master degree in appropriate branch of teaching posts. No, this is not, or you strike out, not required. As stipulated in the office memorandum dated 20/5/2004. And thereafter, White Office Memorandum dated 18/1/2016. Stop. Admittedly, as the petitioner does not have the first class degree in engineering, he is not eligible to be considered for promotion to the post of lecturer, Polytechnic. So the Learned Standing Council also submits that a similar writ petition was filed by one Sri Ganesh Kalita, that is WPC number 1944 of 2019, wherein a coordinate bench of this court, White order dated 26/2023, held that The rules of 1981 was amended in the year 2008, and wherein the requirement of qualification and experience as prescribed by the AICT was made part of the statute. Stop therefore. The contention of the petitioner therein that such qualification and experience would not be applicable in case of promotion and should be confined only to direct recruitment was not accepted. Now, the learned counsel submits that in arriving to that decision, in coming to such a decision, court had also referred to the case of Pradeep Kumar Tamuli Supra and observed that the said case relates to a DPC held at earlier point of time in 2006 and 2007, and therefore cannot be compared with the case at hand. To stop, the learned counsel submits that such being the position and having regard to the rules in force at the time of considering the case of the petitioner by the DPC, his case was rightly rejected. Stop, in support of his submission, the learned counsel, standing counsel, relies upon the case of Union of India and others versus Krishna Kumar and others, 2019, 4 SCC 319. Next para, I have heard the submissions made by the learned counsels for the rival parties, and I have perused the materials available on record. To stop, the issue to be decided is as to whether the petitioner despite not possessing first-class degree in engineering can be considered for promotion to the post of lecturer, Polytechnic. Stop. Prior to the amendment of the rules of 1981, what was the position, 81, original position?
Original position, second class lordship. Original position is second class lordship.
The rule number?
Lordship?
Rule, which rule?
Rule 8 itself, lordship.
Rule 8.
Rule 8 itself, prior to the amendment, it was that the academic qualification of candidate for direct recruitment shall be prescribed by the governor from time to time. The qualification experience prescribed as on the date of the commencement of these rules are given in Schedule 2, lordship. That part is, lordship, already amended, so it was stuck out from that book, lordship.
So, Schedule 2.
Now Schedule 2 is clearly defined, lordship.
Please read the last sentence. It's okay, the last line only, last line, prior to the, that much only. Comma, the original rules of 1981 provided that the academic qualification see, under 81, who can be considered? Promotion.
Promotion, lordship.
Yes. This is direct.
Direct recruitment also.
Hmm.
Promotion was also same lordship that who have the second class degrees lordship.
8 is for direct recruitment.
Lordship, lordship.
Then where's the provision for promotion?
Promotion also rule 11 lordship, 11 and 12 lordship. 11 and 12 lordship. Here, and is for order.
Please read
11
again,
lordship,
sentence.
yes, substitute part is that lordship.
Provided that the academic qualification
And experience
কিতাপবিলাক amendment কৰোঁতে আগৰবিলাক
will be as those provided in Schedule 2 of the rules.
footnote দি থব লাগে, footnote দিয়া নাই এতিয়া।
Clause 10 of Schedule 2 provides that in order to be eligible to be considered for the post of lecturer polytechnic, one must possess at least second class diploma and diploma of TTTI, triple T, TTTI with 3 years teaching or industrial experience and or bachelor's degree in engineering, technology or equivalent of AMIE by examination. Stop. However, by the amendment of the rules of 1981 in 2008, the AICTE norms came to be adopted. And as per the AICTE norms, the qualification prescribed is first class degree in engineering. Stop. Although the petitioner has claimed that he was eligible to be considered as per the unamended rules of 1981. In view of having submitted an application as far back as on 28/3/2008. It is noticed that the amended rules of 2008, although gazetted in the Assam Gazette on 21/7/2008, is made effective, not applicable, from 1/1/1996 as per clause rule 1 bracket small Roman 3 of the amended rules of 2008. Therefore, the petitioner cannot claim to be considered as per the unamended rules. Without challenging the retrospective effect given to the amended rules of 2008. Now, this court is also in agreement with the decision rendered in Ganesh Kalita Sutra that once the rules provide for a particular requirement of qualification and experience, the same cannot be overlooked in making the consideration of candidates for promotion to the post of lecturer. So as for the case of Pradeep Kumar Tamuli, Supra, the same only appears to have been considered in terms of vis-a-vis the DPC which was held on 27/1/2006 and therefore would not apply to the present case. So under the circumstance, this court does not find any merit in the writ petition, and accordingly the same stands dismissed by leaving the parties to bear their own cost. These are the brief outlines. I may have to refine it a bit. Okay.
Obligation.